This video will show you how to replace batteries in the following Xfinity Home door and window sensor. You'll need one 3-volt CR2032 battery per device and double-sided tape should you need to remove the sensor. First, be sure to disarm your Xfinity Home security system. Now, locate the slot opening at the top or bottom of the sensor and place your thumb or index finger firmly against the ridge at the opening. If you don't see the slot, check the opposite end of the sensor. Pry the cover away from the sensor body by pulling the larger side of the cover towards you. After removing the cover from your sensor, you may receive a tamper alert from your system. The tamper alert warns you when the cover of your device is open and will clear once the battery is replaced and the cover is reattached. Avoid touching the tamper switch while the cover is off. Touching the tamper switch may reset the sensor to factory settings. Remove the old battery by using your fingertip to gently pull one end of the battery up until you can easily remove it from the device. Next, insert the new battery into the compartment with the positive side facing you. To attach the sensor cover, align the small slots on the sensor's body with the small tabs on the cover and gently press the cover against the sensor until it snaps into place. Visit Xfinity.com/Xfinity Home battery replacement for additional information on replacing batteries in your Xfinity Home devices. Xfinity, the future of awesome.